Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen different types of integral, and today we have seen two integral, and both are the observe here difference between these two integrals. First integral given here I1 is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x raised to 4 plus 1 dx, and second integral I2 is equal to integration x square minus 1 and divided by x raised to 4 plus 1 dx. Okay, here we observe the denominator part are the same. Okay, yes, x raised to 4 plus 1, x raised to 4 plus 1, and numerator part are here both are different. Okay, x square plus 1 and here x square minus 1 dx. Okay, if you want to simple solution, to watch video till at the end and let the to see the difference between these integral terms. Okay, let's first solve the I1 integral. I1 is equal to given integral x square plus 1 and divided by x raised to 4 plus 1 dx. Here we both the denominator and numerator part we can divide by x square throughout. Yes, okay, so dividing, we can say dividing numerator and denominator by x square, then this integral becomes, we can write 1 plus 1 upon x square, and this term becomes dividing by x square, that means we get x square divided by 1 upon x square and dx. Okay, here we observe x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus upon x square. This term we can arrange at in terms of, as we can write x square plus 1 upon x square, we can write as x minus 1 by x bracket square plus 2. Yes, okay, here we observe here x minus 1 by x bracket square, we can get here x square, this is minus 2 times we get x into 1 by x, and minus minus this is get 1 upon x square, and this is plus 2. That means this term becomes x square, and this minus x get cancelled, minus 2 plus 1 upon x square and plus 2. There minus 2 and plus 2 get cancelled, and we get x square plus 1 upon x square, that's mean original term we get. Yes, okay, therefore we can arrange the term, this is x minus 1 by x bracket square plus 2. Got it? Yes, okay, then this integral we can write as integration 1 plus 1 by x square, and we can term the replace x square plus 1 by x square as x minus 1 by x bracket square and plus 2 dx. Now here we observe x minus 1 upon x minus, this is the function, and the derivative present in the numerator part 1 plus 1 upon x square. Therefore so we can put here, so we can here put x minus 1 by x is equal to suppose t, and differentiate this function, we get 1 minus minus, this is plus x square, and dx is equal to dt. Yes, then this integral becomes, we can write as, here we can write as I is equal to integration, this integral becomes as dt terms, and divided by this term we can write as t square plus 2, and therefore we know that the related formula for this integral as, yes, okay, integration dx upon, suppose this is x square plus a square, we can write 1 upon a tan inverse x by a, and plus c is the constant of integral. Okay, therefore this integral we can write as integration dt upon t square plus root 2 bracket square, then we get the final solution as 1 upon, this is we can root 2 tan inverse x, means this is t and this is root 2, and plus c is the constant of integration. Yes, okay, therefore back put t is equal to, we know that tan inverse t is equal to, we know that for all the x minus 1 upon x, x minus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x and divided by 2, and plus c is the constant of integration. Therefore 1 by root 2 tan inverse, we can write here x square minus 1 divided by 2x, and plus c is the constant of integration, and this is my final solution for this integral I1. Now let we consider I2. Yes, okay, therefore taken here I2 is equal to, we can write x square minus 1 divided by x raised to 4 plus 1 and dx. Okay, same procedure for this integral also, this integral, and dividing throughout. Yes, okay, dividing numerator and denominator by x square. Therefore we get here 1 minus 1 by x square and divided by this term get x square plus upon plus x square and dx. Okay, now here we observe this term x square plus 1 by x square, these are the same, but the numerator part here different, 1 minus 1 by x square. Then this term we can write as, here we can write the term x square plus 1 by x square, x minus 1 by x bracket square plus 2, but we here observe the different terms as x minus 1, we can replace here x plus 1 by x bracket square and minus 2. Okay, then we calculate this function, then we get the term x square plus 1 by x square. Yes, okay, therefore this equation integral becomes, we can write as integration 1 minus 1 by x square and divided by this term can be arranged x plus 1 by x bracket square and minus 2. Now here we observe, here put substitution method. Yes, okay, put x plus 1 by x is equal to suppose t also. Yes, okay, then this function differentiate, then we get 1 minus 1 by x square and dx is equal to dt. Yes, therefore above integral becomes, we can write dt upon t square and minus 2, that's mean this integral we can write dt upon t square minus root 2 square. Yes, okay, and we know all that the related formula for this integral is integration dx upon x square minus s square is equal to formula related 1 by 2a, this is the ln x minus a and divide x plus a and plus c is the constant of integration. Yes, okay, then finally we get the solution. I can write here the solution, therefore I is equal to, we can write 1 by 2a, that's mean this is 1 by 2 root 2, then this is ln x, that's mean t, minus a, that's mean this is root 2 and t plus also root 2 and plus c is the constant of integration. Then here back put t is equal to x plus 1 by x, then integration becomes 1 upon 2 root 2 ln, then here x plus 1 by x, then minus root 2 and divided by x plus 1 by x. Yes, okay, and then plus 2 root 2 and plus c is the constant of integration. Okay, then I2 integral becomes as, we can write I2 is equal to 1 upon 2 root 2 this ln, then here we can simplify term, this is x square plus 1 minus root 2x and divided by this term we can write x square plus 1 and then plus root 2x and plus is the constant of integration, and this is the final solution. Okay, we can write both as above as or below the solution, and we see the difference between this I1 and I2. Yes, okay, if you like this video then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.